What are the top 4 highest ROI activities you can do when listing your home? I'm Matt Huneycutt with the Whissel Realty Group, and I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get the most bang for your buck. We're looking for dollar returns or more. The simplest and easiest thing you can do, number 1, is clean and declutter your home. Take down the photos from the walls, get all the loose gear drift from your home, put away into the closets, nice and neat, and make your home available to people to come through and see the space. The more space they can see inside the home, the bigger it feels, and the easier it is for that person, for that buyer, to envision themselves in that home. Number 2, take it a step further. You can replace the carpet, replace the flooring, and paint the home. Nothing sells a home better than new floors and fresh paint. It feels like a new house, but it's not a very expensive venture. We're talking a few $1,000s, depending on if you have to do the outside of the house and the inside of the house. That alone can really set your home up for success for sale. Number 3, if you can do it, move out of the home before you sell it. Now I understand, logistically speaking, that's not always an option, and that's okay, we can work around that. But if your plans are such that it's possible to get out of the house, a vacant home is easier to show for scheduling purposes alone. In the COVID environment that we're in right now, it's easier for a person to want to go visit that home and know that they're not going to be exposing themselves to certain risks. And for your own purposes, it's probably best that they don't have to work around your schedule to come see the home. Also, when you move out of the house, typically your belongings go with you. So the house is more vacant, more empty, more open, bigger, brighter, easier to sell. A person can walk in that home and without any trace of another family there, it's very easy for them to psychologically move into that house. And that's what you want to encourage those offers to come in. The 4th thing that you can do to get your home sold for the highest amount is hire the right real estate agent. A good agent is a fantastic investment because they can walk you through these steps, help you do these tasks well, put the right colors in place, put the right plans in place, the right materials in place, to get you to that point that your house is most presentable. And then that agent can furthermore market your home properly, use the best advantage of their marketing skills and launching strategies to get that home exposed to the greatest number of people to encourage the most offers for your house. In summary, those are the 4 highest ROI activities you can do to get your home sold. I'm Matt Huneycutt, and if you'd like to learn more about this process or what we can do here at Whissel Realty Group to get your home sold for more, reach out to me directly. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.